This is a piano tutorial for an old John Denver hit, Country Roads. Very simple song, one of those 4-chord songs. This one's got G, C, D, and E minor, so the chords are really easy. I'm going to show it to you first as a soloist. You play the melody in the right hand, you start your melody on the D note. Put your thumb there, second finger on E for the next phrase. I would move my fourth finger up for the A. So when you get down to Shenandoah River, that's the second finger on E. So put your second thumb on the D there for life is old there, older than the trees. So you put your second finger on that E, third finger on A. Really not a lot of things going on there with the fingering. Then you move your thumb up to the B, that's your high note. Move it down to 3 there. That's the verse and the chorus, and then this is the bridge, third finger on G. Watch out for that F sharp there. We're going to do 3 there because we've got to go down to your F sharp. When you get off of that F sharp, put your thumb on that G. And you're on 4 there. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple melody there. Your chord in the left hand starts on a G chord. And the next chord is E minor, E, G, and B. Then a D chord. Move down to E, F sharp, and A. On to C. C chord there, and a G. That G inverted, D, G, and B. And another E minor, D, C, now you've got quite a bit of a space there between these phrases and the chorus. I would encourage you to try to think of some rhythm to put in there rather than just and the rhythm is not given to you. You just got to figure out some kind of a rhythm there, something consistent. You could do a broken chord, whatever. C chord, there's your G chord, D, C, there's the bridge, E minor, D, Actually, it has an F chord there. So it's driving down the road, F, C, if you wanted to make that on day a D7, you could by adding that C there, and then you're back at the beginning. Actually, you're back at the chorus there. So that's pretty simple there. That's how you play it as a soloist.